Hello, and welcome to this guided Shamatha meditation. Shamatha meditation is also known as calm abiding or peaceful dwelling, is primarily about cultivating a deep sense of peace and stability in the mind. This meditation will combine the calming effects of single-pointed focus with the uplifting emotion of gratitude. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Then slowly exhale. Ground yourself in this present moment. Bring your attention to your breath, noticing its natural rhythm. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving. Let your breath anchor you. As you continue to focus on your breath, introduce the intention of gratitude. With every inhale, breathe in the blessings and joys in your life. With every exhale, release any hindrances or distractions, allowing pure appreciation to remain. Your mind might wander. If it does, gently acknowledge it and then return to your breath and the sensation of gratitude. Every breath is a new opportunity to deepen your thankfulness. Keep your focus gentle, not forcing the feeling of gratitude, but rather allowing it to emerge naturally with each mindful breath. Let gratitude and peace intertwine in your awareness. As you continue breathing in and out, let this gratitude solidify as a stable, unwavering focal point in your mind, just as the flame of a candle remains steady amidst stillness. In these final moments, dwell deeply in this cultivated peace and gratitude, letting its essence permeate every part of your being.